Today I'm going to show you how to fillet a fish properly, or the way I do it. It may not be perfect, but it comes out pretty well. Beautiful little squire or baby snapper I've caught in the last day or two off Struddy. So simple process, very sharp knife, quite a flexible knife is good. I make my first cut, I've scaled this, but guts are in. My first cut under the fin, I run it right up to the head. There's a lot of flesh in there you don't want to waste. Then I cut back down, mark the backbone out along the back, like that. Open it up a little bit, and then just using the knife along the bone, see how clean that bone's coming out? A good trick is put your knife straight through and just cut down to the tail like that at that stage, and that frees it. And just keep following. You'll hit the rib cage right here where I'm hitting now. Try to get your knife to go to the top of that so you don't have to take the ribs out separately. And there you go. That's pretty clean. There's not much waste on that, so I've got the fillet. Another really good tip that I've got is your line of pin bones there. So the little bones that come out from the spine like that. With your sharp knife, follow that little seam all the way up. Make a V cut, like that. And that removes all your bones. So now I'll just trim that little bit. You've got a boneless piece of fresh snapper. My last tip is sea salt into some ice water. Give it a stir around to dissolve it. Put your fillet in for 2 or 3 minutes. All that does, it removes any blood or any bile or any of those things that you don't desire. And the fillet will firm up beautifully. It'll become really, really tight, juicy, and when you eat it, it'll just flake like snapper's supposed to be.